Are you struggling with the unable to verify identity error on Doordash? You're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, but today I'm going to walk you through some actionable steps to get you back on track and dashing in no time. First things first, ensure that all your personal information is accurate. This includes your full legal name, address, phone number, date of birth, and social security number if required. Even a small typo can lead to verification problems, so take a moment to review everything carefully. Next, when uploading your photo ID or verification, make sure it's clear and not expired. Ensure good lighting and a steady hand. Blurry images or those with glare can cause the verification to fail. Remember, the ID must match the information you provided on Doordash. Consistency is key. Make sure the details on your ID match what you have entered on Doordash. This instance, if you have recently moved, the address on your application should match your ID or utility bill. If Doordash requests additional documentation, provide it promptly. If you're still having trouble, try using a different devices or web browser. Sometimes verification issues are tied to the technology you're using. Additionally, clearing your browser's cache can help resolve glitches. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Doordash support directly. Go to the help section in the app or visit their support website. Explain your issue and attach any relevant documents like a clear image of your ID. Their support team is there to guide you through any additional steps needed. Remember, if Doordash still is not verifying your identity, it could be due to strict background check requirements or issues with public databases. Stay patient and keep in contact with the support for updates. If this video helped you solve your identity verification issues, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick solutions. Drop a comment below if you have any other questions or tips to share. Thanks for watching and good luck getting set up on Doordash.